Hey y'all, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Stacey. I wanted to do something fun today and try something new, something that I've never made. And I'm over here trying to cook the Flying Dutchman burgers from In-N-Out. And I've been craving it, didn't know how to make it, or just never made it, I guess you should say. And today, I got the opportunity to do so. So yeah, this is what I'm whipping up over here. Bear with me, don't judge me. I think it's a fun meal. So yeah. Come with me so we can check it out. All right, so this is what my onions looking like right now, y'all. I don't know. This right here is a little challenging. I'm afraid if I flip it again, it might just fall apart. Oh, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Let me see. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with our ground beef. There is no right or wrong way to season your beef. I am a seasoned girl. I love my seasons. I do like to taste my seasons. I don't like anything bland. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and season this and we're gonna jump right into the next step. I just want to tell y'all thank you for watching and liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. To the ones of you who are watching me right now, please like, comment, and subscribe, please, so that you can see me do some cooking in the kitchen. And we are just going to mix before we get this onto the stove. Because I messed up on one of the onions, y'all, I did decide to go ahead and eat it because I am hungry. I'm starving right now. Let's go ahead and add these burgers. And I did try to get these as flat as possible. I just mashed them down with my my spatula. And I'm gonna let these things cook and we're gonna come back and check on them, y'all. I'm gonna mash these down some more. Try to get them as flat as I can. Okay, let's see what they looking like on the other side. Okay. Well, if the onions ain't come out too good, these bad baby did. Oh. Now let's add some cheese. Are my patties too small? I don't know. It's just not looking like everybody else's Flying Dutchman burger. It may not look like it, but I bet it's gonna taste like it. Our patties are looking good. Let's go ahead and take those out. Now it's time for us to make our special Dutchman sauce. We got mayo, sweet relish, we got the ketchup, we got the mustard. Let's go ahead and get all of our ingredients into the bowl. It's tempting to know what this tastes like. I don't know, it looks like it may be good. I don't want that much relish. Let's add that ketchup. That looks good already. I'm excited to see what that tastes like. Got our seasoned fries going right there in the pot. Can't forget those. All right, so this is how the Flying Dutchman burger came out, y'all. My beef patties are not as flat as they should be. My onions did fall apart a little bit. I'm not really sure what I did there. But we're about to go ahead and dig into this and see what it tastes like. Now, I know this is going to be messy. It's already falling apart. Oh my God. But we're just gonna have to deal with it. Let's get some of our sauce. Put that right on top. And we have our pepper. Get some of that juice on there. And this is what we biting into. Let's try it out. good. Thank y'all for being here with me today to try this Flying Dutchman burger. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what y'all think, especially if you've already tried this or if you want to try it. It's good now, but this doggone thing right here, baby, this thing messy. But if you got any tips and want to tell me what I possibly did wrong, please let me know, because I'm willing to try this again. This was my first time. It was fun making it. I'm glad you guys were here with me while I was doing it. I'll catch you in the next video, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye, y'all.